Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remotely start the engine in your Nissan Sentra using the key fob. Make sure that all windows and doors are closed, then we'll need to lock the vehicle by pressing the lock button, and then within 5 seconds press this upper button with a circle. And as you can see guys, the vehicle starts. It will work for about 10 minutes and then it will turn off automatically, and you can do one more cycle like that, start it again. This feature is useful in winter when you want to warm up the vehicle, or in summer when you want to cool it down. The vehicle is still locked, and I would like to point out again that in order for this function to work properly, you need to close all the windows before you start it. To turn it off, simply press this upper button again. The operational distance of the remote start is about 200 feet or 60 meters. And one more thing, if the remote start stops working after a few attempts, it can happen, you need to reset it by driving the vehicle. Hi guys, in your Nissan Sentra you can open the driver's window remotely by using the key fob. For this you need to press the unlock button, press and hold. And you will see that the driver's window will open. So when you release the button, it will stop. To keep going, you have to press it again, and the window will open all the way. This is a great feature in case if you want to have some fresh air in the vehicle while camping, or if you are inside your house, for example. Hi guys, when you close your Nissan Sentra, it will make this beeping sound, the horn will work. There is a way to change that. You have to press the lock and unlock buttons together at the same time, press and hold. It will beep first, and then it will blink like that, and now look at that. When I lock it, it won't make this sound anymore. So I will unlock the vehicle and I will lock it again. Now it's locked and there is no sound. So this way you can turn it off, and if you want to turn it back on, same idea. Press and hold these two buttons together. Unlock and lock. Now it will make a sound, and now every time you lock the vehicle, it will make this sound again. Nissan Sentra key fob comes with the physical key inside. To access the physical key, you need to pull this tab and remove the fob, and this is our physical key. Right now the door is unlocked. I can use this key to lock it and unlock the vehicle using the physical key. When you're done, simply insert it back inside. To remove the battery in the key fob, first you have to remove the physical key by pressing this tab to the right and then remove the key fob. Right here you will see two arrows, one pointing to the right and one pointing to the left on the plastic. It points to these two slots which can be used to open the key. So you can either use a flathead screwdriver or a tool, plastic tool like this. Simply insert it in the slot on one side and on the other, and the key will open. To remove the battery, pry it on the side like this, and this is the battery that is required for these fobs, CR2032. Insert the new battery, push it in all the way, plus should be facing down, and now we're going to reassemble the fob. Make sure that this motherboard stays inside, and then snap it back in place, and it works.